Hello,
Hi, I'm Dr. Ben Watkins.
and I'm Dr. Dan Pinto.
Listen, given our concerns with the coronavirus, here at Smiles International, the health and safety of our patients are at the utmost importance. Our trained staff and our clinical hygiene protocols regularly are done throughout the office, and we take universal precaution as a regular means of being able to prevent diseases being transferred to our patients. According to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, as well as the Center of Disease Control, we're taking care of these things.
So, just as precautions, if you've ever been to China or neighboring countries in the past 14 days, and or have any flu-like symptoms, you should make us aware. And if you have these symptoms, you probably shouldn't come in and stay home, per suggestion from the CDC. Hand sanitizers and wipes are always available at the office, and please observe good hand hygiene when going to the restroom or before and after eating, and try to avoid touching your face, eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. In the link below under the video, we have provided links to the CDC recommendations as well as the ADA recommendations regarding the coronavirus.
Yeah. We would like to provide the best possible dental care while still taking care of your dental needs in the midst of this coronavirus. Thank you.